Hello world! This video will show you how to make use of some of the key options in the 5-star restaurant menu plugin. To start, click on Menus, Settings, and then Basic. The first option you'll see is called Menu Formatting. This lets you choose whether to use the base formatting or apply menu styles, which you can then use in combination with the other layout and styling options available in the plugin. There is also an option to not load any CSS styling at all. Under this, you'll see the menu sidebar options. Enabling the sidebar will place it on the left side of your menu page. You can then choose whether you want it to show all menu sections and scroll to the one you click in the sidebar, or only display the one you click. You can use the next two options to set the display of both the images and descriptions for the menu sections. In the functionality area, you will find options that let you disable the price display in your menu, enable a lightbox that opens when you click on an item and that shows more details, as well as options to set a currency symbol and where it's placed. Next, for premium users, you'll find the styling options. This is where you can choose which menu style you want to use. For this, you'll need to have that menu formatting option from the basic section set to Apply Menu Styles. The classic style is designed to fit all sites and is great especially if you want to add in your own custom CSS. The refined style is meant to put more focus on the text, like you might find on a fine dining menu. The image style is more of the opposite and lets you set up a thumbnail layout for your menu. Below the menu style selection, you'll find extra options that let you set the font, color, and size of all the different elements in the menu, including the menu items, headings, icon flags, sidebar, and more. In the advanced section of the settings panel, you'll find options that let you set up sorting and filtering for your menu. This will let your customers quickly find exactly what they're looking for. You can add a filter for the price and also set your menu to be sortable by name, price, and date added. There's even an option to add a search box to your menu. The functionality area is where you can make your menu show related items and also where you can disable specific features like the menu flags, specials, and discounted prices. To learn more about other available options and how to use the 5-star restaurant menu plugin, please feel free to check out our other videos.